I bet you've heard the saying that you don't really know someone until you've traveled with them, and I think that applies to phones as well, and that's why I took a 1000-kilometer road trip over the weekend with the IQOO 15R, and here's our first impressions video based on that. With 8.1 mm thickness and a 7600 mAh battery, IQOO claims that this is India's slimmest 7600 mAh cell smartphone. Now, first look and experience so far, it feels slim, light and premium. Now, our unit here is a Triumph silver color and the back panel design reminds me of a disco floor, but IQOO says that each box represents a step in the ladder. Now, the Triumph silver unit features a glass back and the other unit, the dark night color, has a fiberglass panel at the back, but the sides on both of them remain of metal, and there is the power button and volume rockers on one side and the other side is completely clean. Then you get the speaker grill, USB port and SIM tray at the bottom, and then another small speaker grill up top along with a microphone. That said, this is a fairly slim and lightweight phone, so you can easily use it with one hand thanks to the slim design. At the front, you have a 6.59-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel, and to know more about it, let's get into the settings and right into the display section. Right here, you can see all of the settings that this display has to offer, including the screen color, screen resolution that is up to UHD 2750 by 1260. Then you have the refresh rate that is set to high, it is 144 Hz peak refresh rate. And then you back up a bit more, you will see this enhanced display effect. This phone has a supercomputing Q2 chip inserted into it, and that means that you can use MEMC and super resolution on supported apps like Netflix and YouTube. Remember, I mentioned a road trip in the beginning of this video? I used this camera to capture the Atari Wagah border retreat ceremony from these cameras. Now, the main Sony 50-megapixel lens captures a lot of detail and you can zoom in without the fear of losing much detail. Now, the colors come out slightly saturated, but the contrast is very punchy and the overall image retains a lot of detail, and the skin tones are also fairly natural no matter what angle you're capturing from. Now, the main lens also gets OIS, which means you get super steady videos, and in this case at 4K 30 FPS, it almost looks like as if I'd used a gimbal for some of the clips. Coming to the ultra wide now, this one is an 8-megapixel sensor, so there's definitely a big gap between the main and the ultra wide, but this also captures really good results and the colors are at par with the main lens. However, if you're shooting up close, you may experience some warping in most of your images. Lastly, talking about the 32MP selfie camera here, it has really quick focus, skin tone detection is really natural, but also if you're capturing in a crowd or somewhere where there's a lot of background detail, it may feel like at times that the background detail has been processed a lot and added later after the image was taken. Now, IQOO is known to give powerful specs on paper, and this phone, the 15R, is no different because it gets Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 series chip along with a supercomputing chip Q2 along with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. Now, all of that should make this a proper performance-oriented phone. But with the gameplay and the limited usage that we've had over the weekend, we can say that this did not face any stutters so far, but for the detailed verdict, you will have to wait for our full review. Now we only have the battery to talk about, and I've only had 2 to 3 days with this phone, and in those 3 days I've had to charge it every day. Traveling means infrequent charging cycles, and charging it up to 50 to 60% also meant that I could easily get through the day in the last 3 days. But from 2% to 50% you can get that charge in less than 30 minutes with the 100-watt PD charger in the box. Now, what about the battery? We'll let you know in our detailed review, so stay tuned to Gadgets 360 and follow us for more tech coverage.